Apple is going to make a big alteration to the look of the iPhone 17 Pro by moving the Apple logo. The Apple logo is now a little off-center and below the camera module on the iPhone X. It will be lowered lower, near the center bottom of the phone. This new information, which comes straight from case makers, shows that Apple is changing the way it designs things. A manufacturer we deal with that makes covers for the iPhone 17 Pro range has told us that they are already working on making cases with the new design. Let's look at the specifics of this new discovery, the reasons behind this decision, and the ways the industry is working to fix the problem. With the debut of the iPhone X in 2017, Apple deleted the home button and adopted an edge-to-edge OLED display, sliding the Apple logo slightly lower and off-center to unify the design with the bigger camera and new picture module. Now for the iPhone 17 Pro, the Apple logo will be shifted more toward the center bottom, a modification that might be inspired by the aim to strengthen the new design and create visual harmony with expected hardware advances, such as an upgraded camera module. This repositioning marks a substantial change, possibly altering the overall aesthetics of the gadget and boosting the brand's recognizability. The revised location of the Apple logo presents a design change for the iPhone 17 Pro, with possible ramifications for user experience and overall aesthetics. This trend toward the center bottom might change the usual symmetry of Apple products, creating the possibility for more improvements. Specifically, the MagSafe system, needed for magnetic charging and accessory connection, demands exact alignment with the rear of the smartphone. With the Apple logo lowered lower, manufacturers worry possible interference, pushing the industry to research alternatives to ensure compatibility. Some factories have already manufactured stock based on the existing design, preferring to maintain a low profile while awaiting official certification. To overcome this difficulty, case makers are working on creative ways. Manufacturers of transparent covers, who design their goods to showcase the Apple logo as a primary aspect, are reevaluating their initiatives. Apple is developing options such as transparent cases with appropriate cuts or structural adjustments to adapt to the new logo position, keeping MagSafe compatibility, albeit these solutions are still in the development phase. Since most cases concentrate on opaque or colorful materials, the major attention is on the transparent case part, where the logo maintains a unique feature. A manufacturer has claimed that production is on pause, awaiting verification from reputable sources, underscoring the industry's concern over a change that might lead to major economic losses for those who have invested in materials and procedures based on the prior design. The need to prevent premature announcements is evident, since erroneous information might confuse customers and merchants. Companies are watching innovations and implementing plans to upgrade manufacturing processes, ensuring that current accessories stay viable and competitive in the market. With the Apple branding lowered down on the iPhone 17 Pro, manufacturers are attempting to retain compatibility with old MagSafe accessories, balancing looks and practicality. This might entail improving magnet positioning or developing cases with modular architecture. A transition in MagSafe appears improbable without appropriate planning, given the difficulties of changing the ecosystem of peripherals like chargers and magnetic mounts, prompting the industry to concentrate on focused and inventive adaptations. One of the most anticipated features of the iPhone 17 Pro is the introduction of vapor chamber cooling technology. This technology is built to effectively disperse heat during resource-intensive tasks like as gaming, video editing, or extended multitasking. By maintaining ideal operating temperatures for the A19 Pro chipset, this technology provides sustained performance without throttling. For power users, this translates to quicker app transitions, continuous gaming sessions, and better dependability during demanding activities. The incorporation of vapor chamber cooling highlights Apple's dedication to offering a flawless user experience, even under severe workloads. Apple is apparently optimizing the front-facing design of the iPhone 17 Pro using MetaLens technology, enabling a smaller and more streamlined dynamic island. This tweak increases the immersive quality of the display while keeping its functionality. The smaller dynamic island not only increases the visual appeal, but also optimizes usability, making interactions more intuitive. While the iPhone 17 series benefits from this modest but dramatic adjustment, big design overhauls are likely to emerge with future generations. For now, the streamlined design gives a sleek and contemporary style that complements the device's sophisticated capabilities. Apple's processor plan for the iPhone 17 series includes a tiered approach, with each model containing a chipset customized to its performance demands. The basic versions are believed to employ the A18 processor, while mid-tier and Pro models will likely have the A19 and A19 Pro chipsets, respectively. Built on a 3-nanometer technology, these chipsets offer considerable gains in both performance and energy efficiency. For you, this means quicker app launches, smoother multitasking, and longer battery life, especially during resource-intensive activities. The 3-nanometer design also emphasizes Apple's attention on sustainability, since the greater efficiency translates to lower energy use. The iPhone 17 series is anticipated to sport bigger screens throughout the range, targeting to those who value screen real estate. The iPhone 17 and 17 Pro are believed to arrive with 6.3-inch displays, while the Pro Max might feature a huge 6.9-inch display. Additionally, the anticipated iPhone 17 Air may feature a 6.6-inch screen, finding a balance between mobility and capability. These bigger screens are meant to improve your experience, whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or multitasking. The expanded screen size also gives more area for productivity, making the devices appropriate for both pleasure and work-related activities. With these upgrades, the iPhone 17 series is projected to arrive with higher pricing points. Rumored beginning pricing include $899 for the standard model, $1,099 for the Pro, and $1,299 for the Pro Max. Factors such as increasing storage capacity, innovative components, and worldwide tariffs contribute to these price spikes. While the improved features may justify the expense for some, others could discover older or reconditioned versions to be more budget-friendly options. The selection ultimately relies on your preferences, whether you value modern technology or want a more inexpensive solution. Apple continues to diversify its production plan, with a substantial amount of iPhone 17 assembly relocating to India for US-bound models. This approach attempts to eliminate supply chain risks, control manufacturing costs, and maintain a consistent supply of gadgets. However, Pro Max models are anticipated to continue predominantly made in China, indicating Apple's dependence on established manufacturing centers for its premium smartphones. By spreading manufacturing across several areas, Apple strives to retain its worldwide reach while tackling logistical problems. The iPhone 17 series marks a substantial step forward in smartphone technology, including a variety of improvements meant to boost performance, use, and design. From vapor chamber cooling to 3-nanometer chipsets and bigger screens, the series serves to both performance fanatics and ordinary users. However, the concomitant price rises may urge you to carefully consider the benefit of these features against their cost. Whether you want to invest in the newest model or explore alternate choices, the iPhone 17 series reflects Apple's continuous commitment to innovation and consumer delight. A distinctive characteristic of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is its increased battery life, achieved via the introduction of carbon battery technology and a higher battery capacity. Apple has allegedly raised the device's thickness significantly to contain a battery over 5,000 milliamps, making sure prolonged use durations without sacrificing the clean appearance. Carbon batteries provide various benefits over typical lithium-ion batteries, including increased energy density, quicker charging, and superior temperature control. For consumers, this translates to fewer interruptions during intensive activities like as gaming, video streaming, or multitasking. Additionally, the enhanced thermal efficiency guarantees the device stays cooler under intense workloads, boosting both dependability and comfort throughout continuous usage. Apple is purportedly creating a custom communication processor for the iPhone 17 Pro series, meant to boost both connection and energy efficiency. This chip is intended to support Wi-Fi 7, the newest wireless standard, which delivers faster speeds, decreased latency, and greater performance in busy network conditions. For consumers, this means speedier downloads, better streaming, and a more consistent connection, even in congested environments. The incorporation of this proprietary processor underscores Apple's dedication on creating a smooth and efficient user experience, ensuring the device stays dependable and responsive in a range of settings. To accommodate the bigger battery and sophisticated components, Apple has made small alterations to the design of the iPhone 17 Pro Max, including a tiny increase in thickness. While this update may look trivial, it is a conscious attempt to blend usefulness with aesthetics. The additional thickness enables for a more durable battery while keeping the premium, elegant style that Apple is famous for. The improved design not only supports the device's expanded capabilities, but also ensures it stays pleasant to hold and use. This careful approach illustrates Apple's drive to producing gadgets that are both powerful and visually attractive. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and updates. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.